In this video, I'll guide you through how to send money from N26 to PayPal, whether you're splitting a bill, paying for an online purchase, or simply transferring funds. Knowing how to move money between accounts is a handy skill. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. To start, you'll need to open the PayPal website either on your phone or computer. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up, but assuming you're already a member, let's keep going. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfer Money section. Here, you'll find two available options. You can either add money to your balance or instantly top up using an ID or bank transfer. If the instant top-up option is available to you, that's the one we'll focus on first. Select the instant top-up option, then enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure to choose N26 as your bank. At this point, you should be redirected to your N26 app to confirm the payment. Open the app, log in, and review the details of your transfer. If everything looks good, go ahead and approve the payment. Once confirmed, the money will be sent and typically added to your PayPal balance instantly or within a very short time. Now, if the instant top-up option isn't available, don't worry. You can still transfer the funds using the bank transfer option. Select this option in PayPal, and you'll be provided with PayPal's bank details, including the IBAN and account number. Note these details carefully. Next, open your N26 app. Tap on Send Money and select the bank transfer option. Here, you'll enter the PayPal IBAN and account details that you noted earlier. Complete the transfer and the funds should arrive in your PayPal account within 1 to 2 business days. And there you have it. That's how to send money from N26 to PayPal. With these steps, transferring funds between these two platforms should be straightforward and hassle-free. Whether you use the instant top-up or the traditional bank transfer method, you now know how to move your money efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.